Look at this. Big, beautiful box. I am very excited. I have been waiting for this to arrive from our friends at Sleevechief. And since it was so fun to open it together last time, I thought, why not open it again together this time and see the goods? Oh man, we got the Holo Playmat. Ugh! Ah! Okay, all right. We'll save these for last because that's exciting stuff right there. And then, ooh, we've got the hero border sleeves. Gorgeous. And I do believe these are going to be restocked tomorrow. So how is that timing? We've got the Chainsaw Man border sleeves. We've got the Demon Slayer border sleeves crossed over with Sword Soul, our friends. And then we've got the Kashtira border sleeves. Oh, so cool. Look, they sent you a box. Aren't you excited? So excited. We got the cat up here. Yes. And then we've got the Holo Playmat. What do you think, Sash? Do you want to get in on this action? What do you think? This looks like the pot mat. Pot of greed. Ooh, I like the drawstring bag. That's nice. So you can have it safe when you roll it up after use. Get this out nice and gentle. There we go. Look at that. Oh, the color looks really good. And those eyes, oh yeah, those eyes know exactly what you're thinking and what you want, which is to draw 2 cards, obviously. That looks amazing. I'm gonna have to play with this at locals this week. Ooh. What do you think, Sasha? She likes it. She's like, can I get in the box now? Yes, let me roll up the mat. And then we've got one more to open. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, we got a second one. Do you know what that means? Oh, did this one? Oh, I didn't even see that. Look at the little Karibo on there. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. All right, so we have a second Holo Pot of Greed playmat. I'm going to leave this one in the box, and we will see what is going to come of it in the near future. Very exciting, guys. Very exciting. Thanks for watching with me as we opened up the goodies. And I will see you next time. Bye.